It's pulling it. You can feel the fish pull. Don't release it now. So that's what we got to do. When fish doesn't fight, okay? All right. Okay, keep point. Yeah, there we go. Okay. There you go. Yes. Yes. Already one fish. Look at the pretty. It's a rainbow trout.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a rainbow. Always wet your hand first. You wet your hand first before you touch it, okay? Okay. So I'm gonna get the hook out, okay? Just a minute.
I'm not gonna get the hook out.
No, I will. Okay?
Do you gonna keep the fish?
No, we're not gonna keep the
We
fish.
caught a fishy!
Yeah. So let's just rig up first, okay? So hold that right there. So fish still in the water, okay? We don't wanna.
I know. Daddy, come look at it!
First cast. I'm not even touching.
Okay.
No, yeah, just, yeah, I know you got one. Okay, easy. Easy meaning when fish pulls it, don't touch the handle, okay? Okay, now reel it in, it's coming towards you. Reel, forward, there you go. Keep it high. A little bit high, arm higher. That's it. That's good, no more. Very good. It took the Young Special, easy. Okay, raise arm higher even. Okay, a little bit lower. When the fish come out, lower a little bit, okay? Okay, you're doing fine.
I got something!
You got another one there, yeah. Yes, another one. Woohoo! Another one. Another rainbow trout. Yeah.
Yeah!
Took the Young Special. We'll take another picture. Hold the net. No, it's not that big. Is this fun or what? Hang on, let me take a picture action shot. Smile. Okay, raise your arm like this. It'll come to you. There we go. Higher. Smile. Oh, he wrapped around you. Hang on. Where'd he go? Oh, it's right there. Okay. Look over here. Okay, raise your arm high like this again. I want to take a picture. Fish in the water. Like that. Raise your arm high. Higher. That's good. I want to see the fish. Smile. Okay, one more time. Smile. Higher. Your arm higher as goes. Okay, now we gotta get him. Oh, he's right here. Okay, raise your arm high one more time. We're gonna bring him this time. Yes!
Yes, we got one!
The last one. Look over here. Smile. It's a little bigger than last one. Yeah, this one you might be. You may be able to. Yeah. Nice job there. Okay, raise your arm a little bit higher. Right arm high. Not bad. Yeah, we'll take a picture. Not bad.
We can keep them.
Get the young blood.